to my YouTube channel. Hi there, hello everyone, I hope you all are well, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Rose, and I'm so excited to have you here with me today. On this channel, you'll find a variety of content that's focused on A-B technical. Whether you're interested in technical and education, or simply want to explore some new ideas, I've got you covered. I'm here to share my knowledge, experiences, and opinions with you, in the hopes of inspiring and educating you along the way. So if you're ready to learn, grow, and have some fun, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Thanks for stopping by, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Today our video is about accident compensation lawyers and collision lawyer, and also slip and fall lawyers, so watch full video. Thanks. Accident compensation lawyers are legal professionals who specialize in helping individuals who have been injured or harmed due to accidents or incidents for which they may be entitled to compensation. These accidents can include car accidents, workplace accidents, slip and fall incidents, medical malpractice, and various other types of accidents. The role of an accident compensation lawyer typically includes the following. Legal representation. They provide legal representation to individuals who have suffered injuries, helping them navigate the legal process to obtain compensation for their losses. Investigating the accident. They investigate the circumstances surrounding the accident to determine liability and identify responsible parties. Determining damages. They assess the extent of the client's injuries and losses, including medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages, to determine the appropriate compensation amount. Negotiation. They negotiate with insurance companies, opposing attorneys, and other parties to reach a fair settlement for their clients. If a fair settlement cannot be reached, they may proceed to litigation. Litigation. If necessary, accident compensation lawyers may file a lawsuit on behalf of their clients and represent them in court. They will present the case, gather evidence, and argue for their clients' rights in front of a judge and or jury. Advocacy. Throughout the legal process, accident compensation lawyers advocate for their clients' best interests, working to secure the compensation they deserve. Legal expertise. They are well versed in personal injury law and often have expertise in specific areas such as medical malpractice, product liability, or workplace accidents. It's important to note that accident compensation lawyers typically work on a contingency fee basis, meaning they only receive payment if they are successful in securing compensation for their clients. This arrangement helps ensure that individuals who have been injured can access legal representation even if they cannot afford upfront legal fees. They only receive payment if they are successful. Most people are not well versed in personal injury laws regarding car accidents. Because of this, when an accident does happen, it's completely understandable if you don't know what your full rights are. If you were not at fault for the car accident, you should not have to pay for damages resulting from it. The laws around car accident injuries vary per state. In Georgia, the at-fault party in any injury accident is liable for all damages, and the injured party can seek compensation for their damages, Paragraph 51-1-6. Your lawyer can go through all relevant laws that apply to your case. They'll help you understand what your rights are and how you can legally protect yourself. Insurance companies are skilled at making you think you have little choice in how your case goes. However, you likely have more power than you realize. While you may not have ever hired a slip-and-fall lawyer before, chances are you have worked with attorneys in the past or know someone who has. So, tap into your network to help you choose an attorney. If you've worked with an estate planning lawyer or a real estate lawyer, for example, they may be able to refer you to a slip-and-fall lawyer they trust. There are also professional organizations, including your state or local bar association, which can provide attorney referrals. These are a helpful resource in your search for the best person to help with your slip-and-fall case. Find out how payments work. Before you hire a slip-and-fall lawyer, it's imperative you understand how your attorney will charge for legal services. The good news is, most slip-and-fall lawyers charge on a contingent fee basis. This means you don't need to worry about having to pay legal fees out of pocket if you lose your case. Your lawyer collects a percentage of the compensation they recover for you only if you are successful in getting damages for your slip and fall. Lawyers do differ regarding whether you have to pay actual expenses, such as court fees and expert witness fees, if your case is unsuccessful. So you'll need to find out what the policy is on this for any attorney you consider hiring. Regarding whether